Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install CapCut on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your App Store. Then you want to click on this search button at the lower right corner of your screen and search for CapCut. There. So as you can see here, at the right side of my CapCut, there is a reinstall option or button. But if you don't have the CapCut or you've never installed CapCut, you should see a get button there. As you can see here. So you just need to click on the get button. And you just need to type your Apple ID password. But for mine, I don't need to because I already installed the CapCut on the past. Okay, so when you go back to your home screen, you can see that the CapCut is installing. So you just need to wait. Sometimes it may take a while because it really depends on your internet connection. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.